Yo, hold up and check this out. Audi just dropped an absolute bombshell called the Concept C, and it's basically a preview of the electric sports car we've all been secretly praying for. This isn't your dad's Audi. This is a whole new vibe. A total glow-up for Audi's design. Forget everything you know about Audi's look for the past decade. They're ditching that wide hexagonal grille for something way more assertive. A clean, sharp, vertical rectangle that gives the car some serious main character energy. It's a throwback to the legendary Auto Union racers, but with a futuristic twist. Headed by their new creative chief, Massimo Frisella, Audi is making a statement. They're here to be iconic again. This two-seater roadster is packing some serious heat. The whole body looks like it was carved from a single block of titanium, with super sharp lines and muscular shoulders over the rear wheels that just scream power. And peep those lights, segmented quad-themed dashes that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi flick. They even slapped on some tinted forged carbon fiber for the side splitters and rear diffuser to add that extra bit of drama. It's giving off major Robocop helmet vibes in the best way possible. Stealth tech and a seriously luxe cabin. One of the sickest features? That hardtop roof. It doesn't just fold, it completely vanishes into the back, turning the car into a stunning open-air ride. Slide inside and you'll find it's a completely leather-free zone. The seats are wrapped in a dope two-tone wool twill that's not only comfy but looks incredibly high-end. The real party trick, though, is the screen. In an age where everyone's slapping massive iPads on the dash, Audi went the other way. The 10.4-inch display is a Hideaway unit. Don't need it? It tucks away completely, leaving you with a clean, minimalist cockpit focused on the drive. That's a flex. For more insane deep dives into the freshest car tech like this, you should seriously smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next breakdown. They're also bringing back the super satisfying Audi click for all the knobs and switches, so every interaction feels premium and mechanical. So, what's the power and the price tag? Audi is being a little cagey on the exact powertrain specs, but we know it's fully electric and the concept is rockin' rear-wheel drive. Since it's an EV, adding a front motor for an all-wheel drive quattro version would be a piece of cake. They're also hinting it might share a platform with the next-gen electric Porsche 718, which is massive news. Audi claims the final production car will look almost identical to this concept. Now for the big question, how much will it set you back? They're positioning it somewhere between the last Audi TT, which started around $53,000, and the R8 supercar, starting at $161,000. That's a huge gap, but the smart money is on this landing squarely in the six-figure territory, likely around the $100,000 to $120,000 mark. So what are you waiting for? You've seen the future. Now make sure you stay ahead of the curve. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Why? Because we're the ones cutting through the noise to bring you the raw, unfiltered truth on the hottest rides and tech drops on the planet. Don't get left behind.